Introducing the all-new 2025 Toyota Corolla Truck. Versatility meets innovation, where utility comes in a compact package. The 2025 Corolla Truck redefines what a compact truck can be. Up front, the aggressive grille and sharp LED headlights give it a bold, modern look that stands out whether you're in the city or on the trail. Built on Toyota's renowned TNGA platform, the Corolla Truck blends durability with sleek design. Its strong lines and muscular fenders convey a sense of power, while the aerodynamic profile enhances efficiency on the road. The rear features LED taillights and a practical, yet stylish bed that's perfect for weekend adventures or daily tasks. With its reinforced tailgate and available bed liner, the Corolla Truck is ready for whatever you throw at it. Inside, the 2025 Corolla Truck offers a cabin that's both functional and refined. The spacious interior seats 5 comfortably, with premium materials and attention to detail that you'd expect from Toyota. Versatility extends to the interior with clever storage solutions like underseat compartments and foldable rear seats, providing the flexibility you need for your gear, groceries, or gadgets. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, alongside a large infotainment screen that includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest connected services. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla Truck is powered by a 2.0-liter dynamic force engine, delivering a balanced 200 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain is engineered for both efficiency and capability, making it perfect for urban commutes and off-road adventures alike. Available with both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, the Corolla Truck is able to drive through city roads as well as snow, dirt, sand, rocks, mud, and rain. Its unibody design offers exceptional handling and stability, unlike a standard 4x4 pickup truck and more like an SUV or crossover. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Truck, a new breed of utility vehicle that's as stylish as it is versatile. Ready to redefine what you expect from a compact truck?